I'm gonna have my console table delivered any second now. I'm excited. You like it? Yeah? What do you think? Okay, here's the new console. Let me wipe it down. I love it. It's very beautiful. I really love the piece. The only thing is I thought I would put the TV on top of it, and the TV looks hideous on top of it. Let me show you, because it's such a pretty piece of furniture and my TV just kills it. It's so pretty. And then it has this big clunky old television. It doesn't look right. It don't look right. It takes away from the furniture. I think what I'm gonna do is take the TV and put it in this corner, stool here, TV on top of it in front of my ugly wall heater. Yeah, have the TV there for now, and then just put coffee table books and some flowers on top of this. I have a lot of stuff hiding behind the sofa. Use the drawers. So I get 4 shelves, 3 drawers. This is the only closed shelving unit that I have in my place. The only other shelves and drawers I have are in my kitchen. So that's nice. I can finally put things that haven't had a home. I can put them in there and they will be out of sight. But I'm gonna move that now. I'm gonna take a shower actually first, get dressed. This console deserves a showered, clean, dressed version of myself. She demands those around her be at that same level. No, I just need to take a shower, honestly. I need to shower and put some clothes on. Let me do that, and then I want to go buy some flowers, and then we'll organize. I never thought having a personal chef would be in my budget, but thanks to Factor, today's sponsor, I have a team of gourmet chefs preparing my meals for me week after week. There is a reason why Factor is America's #1 ready-to-heat meal kit. The food is fresh, delicious, and filling. Getting their meals delivered to my house is one of the best decisions I've ever made. I've been using their keto meal plan for coming on 2 years now, and Factor supports a variety of lifestyles. They have keto options, calorie smart, chef's choice, and vegan and veggie options. Just think of all the time you can free up by using Factor. No more stressful trips to the grocery store, no more piles of dishes to do. It's basically a life hack to stay on track for your health goals and also save a ton of time. You grab your chef prepared meal, pop it in the microwave for 2 minutes, and your food is fresh and ready to go. They have a special offer for you guys, 50% off. Just head to factor75.com or click the link below and use code TheCarlaProject50 to get 50% off your first Factor box. That's right, head to factor75.com or click the link below and use code TheCarlaProject50 for 50% off your first Factor box. Thank you, Factor, for sponsoring today's video. Thanks to you guys for supporting my channel and for checking out today's sponsor. All right, let's get back to it. All of this has been living behind the sofa. So what I want to do is categorize things. I'm going to make a stack of all of my coffee table books, then all of my regular books, and all of my journals, my magazines, and then go through all of this miscellaneous stuff that's in here. I'll use the sofa and the coffee table as my workspace. And then as I create my categories, I'll put hopefully all of this stuff into there. So let's see if we can get this organized. I've got planners, paper, books, notebooks, and journals. Yes, I have a problem. These are all my coffee table books, some of which I'll store in here and some of which I'll use for the styling on top of the console. And then those are my pens. Now this little basket's empty, so I can use this probably on the interior. And then I have paperwork in here, which I'll probably store also in one of the cupboards. And then I still need to go through this basket of miscellaneous stuff. But let's start putting some of this into there. I started with 12 journals and I'm gonna get rid of 6 because I don't want this to become something where I just open it up and it looks stuffed. I want it to look pretty on the outside and I want it to look pretty on the inside. I am gonna say goodbye to these 6 that are 80% full because what I do is I get like 80% through one of these planners and then I switch to another one, or journal, it's not a planner. Then I'll switch to another journal, then I'll switch to another one, then I'll go back to the other one. You know, I just kind of hop around. So eventually the ideal would be if I just had one journal, but I always start a new one. I just think, oh, I need one specifically for this. I think people who are paper planner journal addicts, you guys understand. And it's not the worst addiction to have. So these are the ones I'm gonna keep. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And see, like this spiral bound one, that's, I need one like that because for projects, I like to have the kind where you can flip it up because then each page is like vertical instead of when you open a thing like that. This one is more dedicated for a specific practice that I do. This is a bullet journal. This one is just a great all around line journal. If I were to just have one, this is the one I would have. So that's my goal. Eventually, maybe I'll be one of those people who just has one single journal slash planner slash everything. That sounds kind of nice. And then I have a plain one of these that's left over. And then they sent me this. It was part of a event this last week. Some of you saw it. It was an online event called Get Organized. And they sent me this and it says the Carla Project. So this is my new journal. I haven't broken this one in yet, so I'm gonna keep it because it has my name. All right, let's put these into drawer number 2. Board games. I had these in my bedroom closet and I would like for them to live in here. I still have room on the shelf. This one's games. Yay! Now I just need friends. I ran to Trader Joe's. I got some fresh flowers. I got these hydrangeas that are green with a little bit of white. I got 2 bunches. And I'm just putting them into this vase. This is my mom's vase, and I'm not cutting them. I'm just gonna keep them tall. I got them in white also. Flowers at Trader Joe's were the best deal. I think these were $4.99. Let's just test it, you never know. I don't think so. I think it's better without the white. The white ones I'll put in a separate bouquet that I'll put either in my bedroom or on the coffee table. I bought this foliage. Okay, let's go put these in the living room. I think it looks cool.
شیدای توی ما خریداری ناز و ادا ادای توی ما خریداری ناز و ادا ادای توی ما خریداری ناز و ادا
That's what we're looking at right now. I think it looks good.
Com cabelos cor de mel singela, seu nome é Mabel.
With it. I'm happy with it. I don't know if you guys are gonna like it, but I'm happy with it. I love the piece, and I actually like the way I've styled it. I put 2 pieces of art, this large bouquet in the middle. I think it needs something grand on it, and I like it without the TV for now. I have the TV over my shoulder. The TV doesn't need to be a focal point in this room because I usually just lay on the sofa and watch it that way, so fine. And if I ever get one of those cool frame TVs that look like art and mount that to the wall, I think that would look really nice, but it's not a pressing priority for me right now. So yeah, let me know what you guys think of my new console. Let me know what you think of the living room, how it's coming together with the sofa. Okay, I'm excited though. Let me know your thoughts. Thanks for hanging out with me on this gloomy Friday. I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.